Business and Legal Structure. My name is Precious Toju, and on this episode I want to talk about 5 requirements for registering foreign business in Nigeria. So congratulations, your business has expanded and you want to partner with a foreigner, or you are a foreigner and you want to start a subsidiary of your business in Nigeria, or even open a main company of your business in Nigeria. Beautiful. Nigeria welcomes you. Nigeria welcomes that beautiful business idea. However, there are certain things that are required by law for you to obtain and have, certain steps that you need to take before you can register a foreign company in Nigeria. So I'm going to be talking about 5 of those requirements. The first requirement is for you to register your company or business with the Corporate Affairs Commission. This is an agency of the federal government that is saddled with the sole responsibility of registering both local and foreign companies, companies, and business, whatever it is called. And one of the requirements for registration is that one of the directors of your company must be a Nigerian. Let's say, for example, you're coming in from Germany to transact business with Nigeria, or to register your business. Before you can transact business, carry on your business in Nigeria, you have to register it, and one of your director must be a Nigerian. All of you cannot be German. Okay, so one of the requirements is to register your business with the Corporate Affairs Commission. Is a minimum of 10 million naira share capital. It could be more, but that's the minimum. Now, the second requirement is for you to move to the Federal Inland Revenue Service to register for your tax identification number and VAT. Now, you also obtain your tax clearance certificate for that year. So the second step is register your company with the Federal Inland Revenue Service to obtain your tax identification number, your VAT identity, and your tax clearance certificate for that year. Then you moved into one of the commercial banks of any of your choice in Nigeria and register and open a corporate account. Upon opening a corporate account, you'll be issued with a certificate of capital importation. All right, so it just says that you have the amount that each directors subscribe to as shareholders in your memorandum and article of association will be paid into the account of that commercial bank. And so it simply means that you have, to an extent, paid the amount that has been subscribed in your name into the commercial bank, and then you'll be issued with a certificate of capital importation by your bank, because it's going to be useful for subsequent steps. Then you move to registration with the NIPC, that's the Nigerian Investment Promotion Commission. This is a federal government agency that is saddled with the sole responsibility of monitoring, encouraging, and controlling foreign participation in the business sector of Nigeria. And then you move to the last part, which is to obtain all governmental approval and licenses. For example, you will need a business permit. Before your company can transact business in Nigeria, you will need a business permit, which will be obtained from the Ministry of Interiors. And then you also need a resident or work permit. Now, there's a difference between a business and resident permit. Resident permit simply has to do with your foreigners, the foreigners that are coming to work in Nigeria, your employees, your directors, your founders, your sponsors. If they're coming to work in Nigeria and they are not Nigerians, you will need to obtain a work or resident permit from CPAC. That is the combined expatriate residence permit and alien card, CPAC. So you will obtain either a work or resident permit for each of your foreign employees, whereas the business permit is solely to enable your business or your company as a corporate entity to transact business with the Corporate Affairs in Nigeria. Now, if you are going to be involved in importation of anything, you will need to obtain your importation license. If you're going to be specialized in doing certain things, production of certain things, you're going to obtain all your licenses from the from all the government bodies and agencies. In summary, 5 requirements for registering and carrying on your foreign business in Nigeria. First is registration with the Corporate Affairs Commission. Registration. Second is registration with the Federal Inland Revenue Service for your tax identification. The third is to open a corporate account with any commercial bank in Nigeria of your choice. You move to the NIPC, Nigerian Investment Promotion Commission, to register your objective and your business with them. And lastly, you need to obtain all governmental licenses and approval: business permit, resident work permit, importation license, and any other thing, NAFDAC number, whatever it is. It's based on what your area of specialty is and what the objective of your business or company is all about. I hope this helped. Please, if you have any comments, if you have any question, do not forget to drop in the comment section and I will attend to them. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you pretty soon. Bye.